Basil's playing.
She's trying. Sansa just wants to jump all over him. I'm not a huge fan of like what he does with his mouth, but I'm watching it and he's doing a really good job of like not letting it get too far, you know? He's pretty soft mouthed with it, so as long as it stays that way, I'm cool with it. If it turns into anything, I'll let him know. Same deal. I want to see what Basil's turns into. She just wants to play, or if it does anything. If it turned into anything. He's constantly moving away.
Yeah, which is what you want.
Which is I don't really care about, right? I don't really think there's much behind it, you know?
Yeah.
So if he acted on it at all, I would. So this little guy right here keeps letting out a little growl every time Basil comes and sniffs him, but he's moving away after he does it. So I'm pretty okay with it. If he were to act on it towards him, I would correct him for it, but I'm keeping my eyes on it here. So you see a little grumble right there. Getting a little warmer out.
Yeah, it is.
Alright, we'll start putting these guys up here. You're doing good, buddy.